Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best wood hand planes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the FIRSTINFO mini steel hand plane for woodworking. When it comes to a mini plane that stands above the rest, the FIRSTINFO H5401 delivers compact precision in a 3.38-inch steel body that's perfect for woodworkers who need portability without sacrificing performance. Weighing only 80 grams, you can carry it anywhere with ease. Its fully adjustable alloy steel blade lets you control cutting depth with a simple screw, making trimming, deburring, and polishing straightforward. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, this hand-powered tool handles model making and fine woodworking tasks efficiently. FIRSTINFO backs it with a 12-month warranty, extendable to 18 months after registration. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Amazon Basics Adjustable Bench Hand Plane for woodworking. If you're after a top smoothing plane that won't break the bank, the Amazon Basics number 4 Adjustable Bench Hand Plane delivers solid performance at an entry-level price. Its cast iron body provides stability, while the 2-inch steel alloy blade handles precise cuts with ease. The contoured wooden handles give you a comfortable, secure grip during extended use. At 3.8 lb and 10 inches long, it's substantial enough for controlled planing without feeling unwieldy. Ranked number 11 in smoothing planes on Amazon, it's clearly a popular choice. You're also covered by a 30-day return guarantee for added peace of mind. At number 3, we have the Hoteche Mini Adjustable Wood Hand Plane. Looking for a budget-friendly pick, the Hoteche Mini Adjustable Wood Hand Plane won't disappoint you. Its compact 89x35mm black alloy steel body makes it easy to handle during fine finishing, trimming rough edges, or preparing wood for treatment. The 65mm alloy steel blade holds its sharpness well, and the adjustable cutter lets you control cutting depth precisely. Whether you're a professional carpenter or a DIY enthusiast, this plane delivers reliable performance. Backed by a 4.2-star rating from 107 reviews and a 30-day return policy, it's a smart, practical addition to your woodworking toolkit. At number 2, we have the Carpenter Wood Planer. Crafting a violin or a guitar demands a plane built for instrument making, and that's exactly what the Carpenter Wood Planer with carbon steel blade delivers. You get a wear-resistant carbon steel blade that sharpens easily and stays sharp through repeated use. The wooden handle provides an ergonomic grip, keeping your movement smooth and controlled during delicate trimming, grooving, and polishing tasks. At just 1.38 Oz, it won't fatigue your hand during extended sessions. Sirent designed this plane specifically for fine carpentry and instrument work, so you're holding a tool that matches the precision your projects actually require. And finally, at number 1, we have the Spear & Jackson CJP5 Carpenters number 5 Jack Plane. Looking for the top Jack Plane? The Spear & Jackson CJP5 holds the number 1 bestseller rank in its category on Amazon, and it earns that spot. You get a cast iron body with a precision milled base, a 2-inch high carbon steel blade with brass adjusting screw, and a 13.98-inch length built for tackling rough timber. It weighs 5 pounds and delivers solid, consistent cuts. With 379 customer reviews averaging 4.3 out of 5 stars and a 30-day return policy, you're making a low-risk, high-reward investment. Replacement blades, CJP5 blade, are available separately. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.